now jumping on the Orion 29, you're gonna see that we have the Hooker sea chest. All the Orions come with the Hooker sea chest as a standard option, and it's been phenomenal so far. But since we saw that new setup with the Dixie pumps, we said we just had to have it. So we have Miguel here kind of removing all the plumbing. We just did the flush out, so we had some salt water in here. And Orion has a really cool feature right under your feet, Jason. You have a connector for a hose. So what you can do is actually flush out your pumps, your sea chest, by opening up the Gemlux valve, allowing that fresh water to come in. You want to dump the salt water out first, but you can clean out all the salt water of the pump, flush fresh water, and even activate the pumps with fresh water, so it's going to elongate the life of your pumps. But with this new Dixie Hooker option, they come with cartridges. As you've seen, you can change your pumps without having to touch any of the plumbing at all, which is an incredibly nice feature, and I believe it might be the standard option here at Orion. So we just received our brand new Dixie Hooker pumps and sea chest setup for our Orion 29. If you saw our videos at IBEX, you can see these pumps obviously connect right here, and they're cartridge. So if you do have a problem, you can remove and replace this pump without having to touch any of the plumbing like the traditional setup. So we do have a Hooker sea chest in our Orion. All the Orions come standard with the sea chest, but I think they're gonna move to this because it is such a smart idea, makes a ton of sense, and maintenance is 1,000 times easier. We're gonna show you what it takes to swap out our system and install this new one. So let's go have some fun.
Hey guys, it's Miguel from Orion. Today I'm gonna be taking care of the sea chest installation from Hooker Electric. Today we're just gonna take care of the flush in and the flush out. So we're gonna drain out all the water. We're gonna take out the flush in just in case no water comes in. And we're gonna start by taking off the bait pumps, the high-speed pickup, the saltwater pump, and bait pump 1, bait pump 2. We also have flush in right here, the check valve we're gonna take off. And once we're done with that, we can start by reaching the screws in the back and actually start by taking off the sea chest completely.
Out with the old, you got it?
Yep.
Now, in with the new. All right, so we just got the old sea chest out, and as you can see on this one, we had a starboard bracket that was custom made to be able to sit that properly. We're gonna remove that, see if it's something we can work with. If not, we're gonna create a brand new bracket for the new sea chest system.
So what we are doing here now is we are putting all the fittings together on the brand new sea chest. Trying to get the pumps, new Dixie pumps on there. Gonna be 5200, you know, sealing all the fittings as we go. Trying to get this on by the end of the day.
Right now we're just 52ing all the inserts so we can finally start putting the ball valves and actually start just putting all the connections for the hoses. Hey guys, so we just finished making the bracket for the sea chest. Right now we had to make the whole bracket completely because the other bracket didn't work with the new sea chest. So this is what we're going to be sitting the Hooker Electric sea chest on, and we're going to do the installation.
So here we have it, the final finish. Brand new Hooker Electric sea chest installed. We got brand new Dixie pumps. Look how easy it is. Cut a tie wrap, just separate your pumps, unscrew it, and they pop off. Everything hooked up, ready to go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today on this Hooker Electric sea chest install. If you got any questions, please leave a comment below. This is Jason with Center Consoles Only. Stay tuned for more.